Hi guys! We're back with some more helpful tips for you busy ladies out there. But before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And please leave us a comment down below. It really helps YouTube to understand that women over 40 really do have a demand for seeing more fashion on YouTube.
Today we've got 6 helpful tips for you, all related to getting ready and fashion. You know our channel is all about women over 40 and great ideas and tips for casual everyday looks, but we also know that you don't have a lot of time to put into fashion some days, so we're going to show you how to do it quickly and fashionably.
Tip number 1, start with your closet. In order to put together great stylish outfits quickly, you need to have an organized closet that makes sense from a stylist perspective. In other words, forget what you've heard about organizing by color, instead organize by style. For example, all camisoles grouped together, then t-shirts, short sleeve blouses, long sleeve button downs, shorts grouped together, jeans. The same thing goes for shoes, organized by styles such as flats, sandals, heels. Jewelry can be organized by metals such as all silver items together, all gold items together. This system makes it very easy to grab the pieces that you need quickly and easily to create a look.
Tip number 2. Pick out your outfit the night before, including shoes and accessories. This may sound a bit silly, but let's be honest, who's motivated to style a fashionable look at 6 a.m.? If you take the time to put together a look in the evening before going to bed, you'll have more time to think about your look and put a little effort into creating something stylish. You can also ensure that the pieces you need are clean so that you aren't rummaging through the laundry basket looking for what you need while you're trying to get out the door.
Tip number 3, steam or iron the items you plan to wear the night before, or give them a light mist of water and pop them in the dryer for a few minutes while you jump in the shower.
Tip number 4, blow dry your hair the night before and just freshen up the pieces surrounding your face in the morning. Styling your hair the night before will save you lots of time on your morning routine. Pop on a shower cap to protect your freshly styled do before hopping in for your morning shower. Then when you get out, simply refresh the pieces of hair surrounding your face by blowing them out with a large round brush and misting them with some hairspray.
Tip number 5, use makeup products that combine steps. For example, a BB or CC cream that contains sunscreen saves you one step in your getting ready beauty routine. A powder foundation is a very quick way to cover any skin imperfections and is very easy to apply quickly. Have a go-to simple makeup routine for those mornings when you need to be out the door fast so that you aren't spending extra time thinking about which eyeshadow to choose.
Number 6. This last tip is for those of you who would love to use different purses to match different looks, but feel like it just takes too much time and effort to switch out all of your belongings. Keep your essentials in a small zipper pouch that can be easily transferred from one bag to another. I keep things like a pressed powder, a lip gloss, hand sanitizer, gum, and any other daily essentials in a zipper pouch and place it on my dresser beside my wallet at the end of the day. Then I can just grab the purse I want to match the day's outfit off the shelf, throw the wallet and pouch inside, and I know I have everything I need. It allows me to enjoy all of my handbags with very little effort. So we hope you enjoyed our 6 tips for getting out the door fast and fashionable. Don't forget to check out our other fashion tips, tricks, and lookbooks, and we'll see you next week.
Bye guys, have a great week.